Brand new brake booster replaced. She's looking good. We're gonna change out this brake booster. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it on a Chevy truck. Here it is. Alright, so right there we got the brake booster. We're gonna be replacing it from this brake booster right here. We got really spongy brakes. We already changed the master cylinder. So let me grab a couple tools real quick. So if you got real spongy brakes and you've already replaced your master cylinder, this is gonna be your next step right here. Replacing this brake booster. Make sure y'all follow the page, subscribe to the channel. We do mobile repairs every single day, Monday through Saturday. Turn those notifications on. Alright. I got a 15mm. We're gonna take off this master cylinder real quick to get back to this brake booster. Yeah, hey Matthew Wilson. Yeah, I got the money, bro. At first, he went on a test drive. It took like 20 minutes, bro. Alright, two bolts on the brake booster. Two bolts for the master cylinder. I'm gonna leave the master cylinder connected. Alright, so y'all can see I just moved my master cylinder over to the side. And it's a brand new master cylinder. I've already bled it. So make sure y'all add some lights in there. So this a used brake booster. Yeah, I already bled the system, bled the ABS module. It's right here. I'm gonna re-bleed it again, but we went and got us a brand new brake booster right here. Okay, it's not brand new, it's remanufactured. There's a pin in here. Make sure you don't drop this pin, it'll slide out. Yeah. It's a little pin that's gonna go on your brake booster right there. So we got a few things we gotta do left to this truck, but we gonna get her delivered today. Brake booster bolts are gonna be underneath the dash. There's 4 bolts underneath there. We're gonna get those 4 bolts off so we can get that brake booster replaced. So this is gonna be a part that's not very fun to watch. That's the brake booster. Alright, and I got me a 15mm. And my AC Delco right there.